So today we'll be doing beef stew. I'm gonna be cooking a beef stew. Okay, first things I got the one for the stew meat, so it's already chopped up, but I'm still gonna chop it in half because I don't like big bites. Okay, so we got some stew meat, and I got 2 potatoes and a bag of carrots and some celery. So I got a bunch of celery, and then I got some cilantro, and then I got some of 1 tomato sauce. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and chop these items up. Some onion. So this is not even a half an onion, but that's all I have. But you could use half onion, whatever you prefer. There's really no measurements for this stew. You can even put green beans, whatever you want into it, but this is what I'm gonna make, and this is how I'm gonna make mine. Okay, so I'm just chopping up this cilantro. I'm not going to use the whole thing, so I'm just going to put some in the plastic bag. Just going to add some oil into my pot. And put some in there. So make sure you rinse your vegetables really good. Okay. And then I'm gonna chop these in half. I'm gonna slide this over there, put my pot on. I'm just gonna put it on medium for now. Chop up my onion. Throw in the onion, the cilantro, and the meat, and we're gonna brown it. Okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna fill some water up. So this is how it looks when I'm browning it. So I love all that juices from the beef, so I'm gonna keep it in there, and I'm just gonna pour some water right there. And then I'm gonna add in some tomato sauce, just 1 can of tomato sauce. And then I'm just gonna add in all of the vegetables. So I cut these like that. Usually I cut it smaller, but I'm gonna just try a bigger cut today. Like I said, you can do whatever, cut it however. So I love celery in the stew, so I'm gonna put the whole bag. Like I said, it's all up to you how you wanna do it, how many vegetables you want. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add in the carrots. So I'm just going to put half of the bag of carrots in. Okay. And then I'm going to let everything boil. So remember again, we're making a stew, not a soup. So I'm just going to add a little bit more water. like real, like this much. Okay. And then this is the secret ingredient, okay? The beef stew mix. I noticed that when I use this, I've been using this for a while. If you haven't used it, you should try it. But I never follow the directions. I just add it to my stew. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that up. Just let everything cook. And I don't have a slow cooker for this size of pot, so I just gonna make it on the stove. I'm gonna make it to medium, and once it starts to boil, then I'll lower it because I want the meat to be tender. So I'm just gonna let this cook for a while until it starts to boil, then lower it, and then wait until everything is soft. Okay, especially the potato. The potatoes are the carrots are the one that takes longer to cook. Okay, so we're just gonna cover that. Sorry guys, of course this is a homemade video, so bear with me. It's nothing professional about this video. Okay, so we're just gonna cover this and then let that cook for a bit, and then I'll get back to you guys. Oh yeah, so now it's the time for me to cook my rice, because some things in life you gotta eat it with rice. So if you haven't never eat your stew with white rice, you should try it. It's very good. So this is the finish of the stew. If it's a little bit too watery for you, just add in some cornstarch and it'll thicken it up. And this is my plate with the rice. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.